Hey everyone, today we have a very old looking refrigerator right here, as you can see, with my favourite door pattern. Also has the evaporators right there. So we've got the cool room right here, as you can see. So we have Buffalo Trident evaporators, an evaporator right here, 3 fans on it, see? Very small, not gonna lie. Very nice and deep though, for a small one. There's the coil back there, as you can see. Of course there's the drainage pipe right there. Of course there's the older sign right there. It's very old, not gonna lie. So it's very old and very nice. So yeah, that's about it really. And I hope you guys enjoyed. See you guys in the next episode. Goodbye.